Well, you couldn't write it if you tried. We got down to a place called Chomerac, which is where we finished our last Mont Ventoux adventure before COVID set in, and we had to dash back up in a 1-8 from Chomerac up to Calais for the ferry, which was a hell of a drive. So we set out, we got there sort of 9:30 this morning, had a nice breakfast, set out and did 1.3 mile before the rear derailleur hanger snapped, and all that lot ended up in a bit of a mess. So I told the lads to carry on with their run. They've got a 50 miler planned. Nothing I could do. I was going to walk back and jump in the motorhome, and as luck would have it, a chap pulled up that has his own cycling business, cycles himself, and sort of googled the nearest specialised shop which he was passing, which is 30 mile away from where we're stopping, in a village called, a town rather, called Valence. So I'm here at Veloland in Valence, just waiting for them to reopen at 2 o'clock, when hopefully they've got a rear hanger for the Roubaix and can get it swapped. But yeah, Good Samaritan came to the rescue and got me here. So let's see what they open when they open at 2 o'clock, and hopefully we can get that lot sorted. And I may still get a cycling, because, well, I'm going to have to get a cycling because it's 30 mile back to the motorhome. There we go.